Greetings and welcome to Fixing Errors in Projects in MyITLab. In this video, we'll use our summary report to fix our errors in our submitted projects and resubmit for hopefully a better grade. I've split my screen so I can see my report while I work on my Excel file that I submitted. On the right here, I have my Excel file, the exact file that I submitted to be graded. And then on the right, I'm going to go ahead back to see what my submission was to see if I can fix some of my errors. So I'm just clicking on my submission. I'm going to go ahead and click on my summary report. And again, I'm going to split my screen for my Word doc. Hopefully it'd be really easy to do that. Here we go. And I'm going to just go one by one and fix where I went wrong. So it says column A, the column width was not set to 21.7 approximately. Now occasionally I've noticed a description or an instruction in MyITLab will be in pixels, and then it's expecting something else when we get to the answer sheet. For my class, I allow multiple submissions, so this isn't too much of an issue. So anyway, I'm just going to right-click on the column, go to column width. I'm going to fix it to 21.71. I'm going to say OK. And let's see what else was an issue. B7 was not set to the appropriate value, so I'm going to change B7 to the correct value. Looks like I had a few numbers off there. 8, 5, so now I have 13772.7.85. That looks right now. And I'm going to also fix, it looks like I have a 92 and I should have a 91. Let's enter that. Also, it looks again, my cell width, B, C, D, E, and F, I'm going to change my width to 13.71. All right, that looks much, much better. Next, it looks like I fixed everything in I5. I'm going to go to step I6. In cell, these will actually change because I fixed the values that were in error. So all 4 of these should be fixed. And I'm just going to double check. So B8 should look like 4893836.2. That's correct now because we fixed our value above. 437,190.29, that looks right. And E7, let's see, E7, 388384.31, that looks good, and then the final total looks good too. So all of 6, because I fixed 5, 6 is fixed. Next, I just need to, sales style name was not set to total. So B8, C8, and E8 was not set to total. So style cell and total. To me it looks like it is set to total, but we'll double check. Maybe there's an error in their side, but it does look like I selected total. Okay, so now that I did all of those different changes, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save one more time. I'll go ahead and close out my summary report. I'll go and close out my submission list, and I'm going to go back into my grader project, and this will open just momentarily, and I'm going to resubmit, hopefully for a better grade. So I'm going to upload my completed file, find my file I was working on. Let's see, desktop I think, grader project, open. If I selected my correct file, I'm going to upload. and it says please wait, so it just takes a moment or two to upload. And of course I need to click finish and submit for grading. And it looks like it has been successfully accepted. I'm going to go back to my grader project, click on view submissions. I should have a second submission here. Uh-oh, I got a 0, probably because I grabbed the wrong file. So I just want to go back, file. I'm going to save it into a place where I can find it. I'm going to browse. I'm going to save it onto my desktop so I know exactly where this file is. Save, yes. Now this was my error. I chose the wrong file, but this happens, so it's okay that it happened. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my grader project. I'm going to, let's see, submit my file once again. Again, I'm going to select my file, and I saved it on the desktop. I'm going to open it and say upload. And if I did everything correctly, if I fixed all my errors, I should see 100%. I'm a little worried about that style change. It was on total, but we'll see if it, oops, I wanted to make sure it's finish and submit. Again, go back to my grader project, view submissions, and I got 100% this time. Woohoo! So using that summary will help me improve my score. I do recommend if you have less than 50% that you just retry the assignment from scratch. It would be just too many things to try and fix, but if you want to try and fix it using that summary report, you can. So that's it for this video. Until next time, be seeing you.